Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you all here. Of course, it's still your favorite graphic designer, Big Sin Tech. So guys, part of our culture here, if you are an active subscriber, you would know that we usually post tutorial videos every week on this channel, and the days we post tutorial videos are Mondays and Thursdays. I believe that you've already watched the tutorial video for Monday. In case you have not watched the tutorial video for Monday, please do well to watch it because you are going to learn something amazing from that tutorial. So today guys, I'll be teaching us how we can create this amazing food flyer design. Yes, I designed this flyer, although it is a fictional flyer, but I believe that you are going to learn something from this tutorial video. So if you know that you would like to learn how I was able to create this, do well to watch the video to the end. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Pixellab, and this is the default background you would always see in your Pixellab. So quickly click on the last icon, go to color, click on white color. Beautiful. Click on the center icon. Now let's create that red background. So click on shape, take it to the other side, drag it down. So drag this point. Okay, and go to color, enable it. This is the color we'll be using. You can get this color on your color wheel. This is the color code. So all you need to do is to copy this color code and input it in your color wheel, and you will certainly find this color. Beautiful. Click on your good icon, then click on this icon below the three dots, click on lock. Let's lock it. Now the next thing we need to import is this background. Yes, drag it. Okay, click on copy, delete this other one, so place it here. Click on this icon below the three dots, take it behind, and do not forget to lock the background. Yes, now let's import the hand that is holding the food. This food looks very delicious, very delicious. Okay, place it there. Click on copy as usual, delete the one behind, put it at the center. Click on the icon below the three dots and click on lock. So guys, let's quickly write those write-ups around the food. Now the first write-up is what? Good food, no wait. No wait. Okay. Go to color. Now go to font. This is the font to be using, Metropolis black. So click on it. So rotate it. Okay. Leave it that way. Go to curve. Let's curve it. In case you don't know your way around Pixellab, please go and watch my video on Introduction to Pixellab part 1 and part 2. I did a detailed teaching on how you can navigate this simple software. Pixellab is not a complicated software. It is very easy to navigate. So I want you to go and watch that video. Although I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description below. So I encourage you to watch the two videos. Place it here. Go to spacing. Click on word. So increase it to 5. Go back to text. Increase it a little. Yes. Leave it there. Now click on text again, edit. Let's type the second write-up, and the second write-up is enjoy yourself. Beautiful. So bring it down, go to color. We'll be using the color we used before. Go to font, we'll be using the same font, and rotate it this way. That's okay. Go to curve, increase it, place it there. Then go to size, that's text, increase it, reduce it a little, reduce it again. Okay. Okay. This is okay. I know so many of you might be saying this design is too easy. Yes, it is easy. What you are yet to understand is that for you to develop your level of creativity, you need to have designed multiple designs. For you to deepen your well of creativity, you need to recreate other people's design over and over again. By doing so, you would increase your level of creativity. You would increase your imaginative power. The way you imagine concepts and ideas will be different from others because you've worked on your level of creativity. Creativity is a skill and you need to develop that skill. And one of the ways you can develop that skill is by creating people's design. This design seems easy, but by creating this design, you are adding to your style of creativity. So don't be surprised that it is that simple. Do it. You are improving your skill, in case you don't know. So place it here. The next thing we need to import is this, the logo. So reduce it, place it here. Place it here. Go to relative size. That's okay. Now let's import other information. That is order now. I believe you can do something like this now. It is easy. All you need to do is to download this element, then write order now on top of it. It's quite easy. I don't want this tutorial to be long. That is why I am not doing this. Let's import the next write-up, which is this. I believe you guys can do something like this. It's also easy. It's not difficult. Just go to Pinterest, download these social media icons. Okay, I'll take it below. Download the social media icons. This white stuff is a box. Download them, put them inside this box. You can as well change their colors and write 5-star. Finish. It's not difficult. And place it here. Bring it down. Take this down also. Okay. Lastly, let's import their phone number. I've already done this, so I want this tutorial to be brief. In case you don't know how to form irregular shapes on Pixellab, you can go and watch one of my videos on how to create custom shapes in Pixellab. I'm going to drop it in the description below. I did a detailed teaching on how you can create different shapes on Pixellab. Let me tell you something you don't know. Pixellab is one application that people have underestimated, because they feel that the application is just for only smartphone users. But then with this application you can do mind-blowing things. If you go on YouTube, you will see designs that people created using just their smartphone. So stop limiting what this application can do. Sit down and learn. So if you are done creating this design, click on this, do what to save it as project and also as image. So I'm going to save mine as image. So click on dimension, change it to ultra, click to save to gallery. Beautiful. Now let's edit this design. Go to Snapseed, let's import it, click on tools, go to tune image, increase the brightness. Wow, hope you are seeing the effect. Please, while editing your design, make sure that the effect is not much on the design, otherwise it's going to destroy or affect the design itself. So increase the contrast, go to ambience, increase it, go to shadow, increase it. That's okay. Then go back to tools, go to details, increase the structure, increase the sharpening. So guys, this is the design. It's quite simple, and do not forget to do what to export it as JPEG. Well, I believe you've learned something new in today's tutorial video, and if you know that you've learned something new, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop new content. And I would like you to join our Telegram group. Yes, on that group we have tutorial videos there, and these tutorial videos are well explained tutorial videos that would help you upgrade and level up your skill as a graphic designer. Do well to join our amazing community, and your growth is certain. Thank you so much. It's still your favorite graphic designer, Pixellab. See you next week.